Oh mother, not the brother, came out with them chocolate home style. So let's see what these talking about too. So, welcome to another episode in the series of What That Tastes Like. Let's do it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Terrence
and Melissa
Lewis, back with another episode in that series of What That Tastes Like. So, we're here again, and we got the brother to them HOMESTYLE originals that we did before. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna put the video link down in the bottom. But here we are with them chocolate HOMESTYLE boys. I ain't gonna lie, to me, that look just look a little bit different. Look a little bit more tasty. What you think?
Maybe.
So, I'm a Rice Krispie treat kind of guy. So it don't matter to me if it's chocolate. It don't matter to me if it's regular. If it got Fruit Loops in it, I'm about it. We got these Rice Krispie bad boys, $4.68 at your local neighborhood Walmart. Same price as the original ones. Same size, 12 bars in here. Just gonna see what it's about. Same packaging, and this time a little man did not get into these. Praise God. We had a different snack for him. So let's crack these bad boys open real quick and let's see what we're looking like. You excited about it, baby?
Maybe.
You love you some snacks.
I do like snacks.
So here we are. 12, they're all in there. No hands have been picking in this box of Rice Krispies this time. And I refuse to not be the first one to try them when I'm the one that paid for them. You know what I mean, baby? So let's go ahead and get you one of those. Oh, yeah.
They look smaller than the other ones.
You think it looks smaller than the other one?
I feel like they do.
It might. See, we already got rid of the original ones. I don't know if it looks smaller. I think it might look actually the same size to me. Still has that spot on there where you can write a little note to your homeschool kids. Let them know it's all good. Eat your carbs. I mean, hey, it's good to me. Yo, crack it open and see.
Not terrible.
Not terrible at all. What's carbs looking like?
24 grams.
Oh, 24 grams. Now, Melissa here, she don't play about them carbs, do you, baby?
Trying.
So, we got that good chocolatey smell.
Yeah, it does.
What's it feel like?
Squishy.
Squishy.
Sticky.
Icky.
Not too bad, though.
Not too bad.
Nope.
It's not as sticky as the other one. The other Rice Krispie was very sticky, and I don't see as many marshmallows in there. Marshmallows. I don't see as many. What that tastes like, though? Let's see. It's like I'm messing with it. Your boy over here, he gonna eat it up. It don't matter to me. Good and chocolatey. You see the marshmallow, little fillings in it.
I don't think I care for the chocolate Rice Krispies.
Well, what about it? What do you like?
Maybe it's too strong of a chocolate flavor.
Hey, tastes like Cocoa Pebbles to me.
I'm not a Cocoa Pebbles fan.
In a bowl of cereal, you want Cocoa Pebbles? So you're a fruity girl?
Yeah.
I knew there was something about you. Little fruity girl. The Fruit Pebbles. Hey, but I'm fine with either. So, if you're into the Cocoa Pebble taste, this is kind of similar to that. Chocolate Rice Krispies, of course. Definitely tastes different, feels different too than the original. But all the same, to me, the flavor's good, so I'm messing with it. But
Tastes a little the same.
It's a little same as the what?
Yeah, the original.
Right. Facts. It does. So it's all about having options out in this world. Alright. Let's see what little man thinks about it.
I do have a blue shirt. Look.
Try that Rice Krispie. Tell me what you think. Bite it.
Try it?
Oh.
Look.
He says too chocolatey for him too.
Okay.
He ain't with it. But that's alright because Dad always with it.
Oh, he's so hungry.
He's so hungry. Hey, that's good. If your kid don't eat rice, he gonna get Rice Krispies treats when you try to give them to him. Keep that kid now. You wanna try it? It's good.
It's good.
It's yucky. That's all right. Hey, we gonna get at you guys. We gonna try to feed these kids because they act like they ain't got nowhere else to live in their life. You know, we don't be feeding them apparently. So we get at you on another What That Tastes Like review. Peace.